Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will review Nutivas Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. To support my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This coconut oil is suitable for vegetarian, vegan, raw, whole food, paleo, kosher, ketogenic, and gluten-free diets. It's cold pressed. Cold pressed coconut oil is processed at temperatures that never exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This product is certified organic and adheres to non-GMO guidelines. I love natural products, and this product is 100% organic and free of chemicals. It's great for making your own skincare and hair care products like lip balm, deodorant, conditioner, moisturizer, and more. I put some on my lips and it makes them soft and shiny. This coconut oil is also effective at removing makeup. I use it to pre-poo my natural 4C hair. I have a video on pre-poo benefits that you can check out if you want. This product is a good alternative to margarine or cooking oil. I spread some of this coconut oil on my toast and it tastes really good. Nutiva mentions that this coconut oil has 100% less cholesterol than butter. I sometimes add a little bit of this coconut oil to my smoothies. This oil is solid at room temperature and melts at 76 degrees Fahrenheit with a smoke point of 350 degrees. I love the smell. Since it's unrefined, the pure coconut oil scent is noticed. If you prefer a subtle smell, you can get the refined coconut oil. You can also add essential oils to minimize the coconut oil odor. I tried refined coconut oil before and I really prefer unrefined coconut oil. Unrefined coconut oil, also known as virgin coconut oil, is non-deodorized, non-processed, or bleached. It's from fresh coconuts and has a rich, creamy smell. The coconut flavor is much more pronounced and it has a lower smoke point than refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil is made of copra, coconut meat that has been scraped out of ripe coconuts and dried for several days in the sun or in a kiln. The refining process strips away some nutrients and makes the coconut flavor much less pronounced. Refined coconut oil has a higher smoke point, which makes it a better option for higher heat cooking and baking. Refined coconut oil has a neutral scent and taste. Do you prefer refined or unrefined coconut oil? Let me know in the comment section. This coconut oil helps with my dry skin. My skin feels more moisturized and soft. I got this on Amazon and I will surely repurchase it. I have nothing negative to say about it. This oil is rich in lauric acid, which is a medium-length long-chain fatty acid or lipid that makes up about half of the fatty acids within coconut oil. Because it's irritating and not found alone in nature, you can ingest lauric acid on its own. You can get this substance in the form of coconut oil or from fresh coconuts. If you have any questions about this product, leave a comment and I'll certainly reply. I would also love to hear about your experience with this product or another type of coconut oil, so feel free to leave your comments. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more content. Have a wonderful day.